Alright, this is just showing the destruction of our loggers. They've been in here, they've carried out 8 loads of logs and pulpwood so far. They've really done a number. Katrina ain't got nothing on them. This is just our front where they've been working. We've cut down. You see the stumps sticking up in the trees. That's where they're set up loading right now. Of course, the rain and that hadn't helped any. It's just made a bad matters worse. They run over my water line Friday and busted it. We finally got it. Me and Eric got it fixed. I guess it was Saturday morning. Anyway, you should see this loader whenever it's running. That's the cab right there, by the way. That's our old skidder. This thing's running, it looks like it's on fire. Anyway, they really made a huge mess. And I guess it'll take us a long time to clean up behind them. Anyway, this is from the shed down to the road. We still got trees to cut. Several pine trees right down there that need to go, and then there's some in that little patch of woods. They haven't showed up so far this morning. And who knows, maybe they will, maybe they won't. I'll have to wait and see. That's all for now. I'll do a little bit more later.